afternoon at 3.
Welcome back. So we had a lot of sunshine. It's made our way through the day today, but that frigid air was over us, and that northwesterly wind just kept pushing it in. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. The mostly sunny skies today, but it does look pretty frozen out there. We did stay mainly dry. Here's a look at high temperatures. Only at 4 below zero for a high at Scottsbluff. Near that level at Sydney and Chadron, into the upper single digits to near 10 below zero for a high temperature out toward Kimball, Alliance, and at Gordon. Here's a look at the current temperature. So we have fallen to near 10 below zero at Alliance, Scottsbluff, Torrington, Bridgeport, Oshkosh, closer to 12 below at Kimball and Sydney, and 14 below at Gordon. Here's a look at the winds. Now, winds are starting to die down across southeastern Wyoming, but across our Nebraska counties, still pretty breezy, 15 to 25 miles per hour from that very cool northwesterly direction. Here's a look at where the strongest wind gusts are. Hemingford, wind gusts to 47 miles per hour. Most of the northern panhandle into the 35 to 45 mile per hour range. So that's where the coldest wind chills are going to be, as we do have wind chill values across the region between 35 and 45 below zero. Because of that, still a wind chill warning that will expire tomorrow at 11 a.m. for the entire viewing area. And if you're in the northern or eastern panhandle in the counties outlined in blue here, winter weather advisories still around for some blowing snow until the top of the next hour. Then they should expire. So here's a look at the weather across the country. That low pressure system that gave us some snow showers is combining with another one, becoming a big rain and snowmaker for the Midwest and Northeast. A high pressure system, this is a very cold high, is approaching, and we're on its cool side. We have that direct flow from the Arctic and the cold air going all the way to the deep south. So here's a look at the extreme cold. Notice out toward El Paso, Houston, even Atlanta, we do have wind chill values at their lowest overnight, 0 to 10 above, and even Dallas out toward, say, portions of Kentucky and Tennessee have 0 to 10 below zero. That's as far south as this cold goes. For us, we have one more night, 30 to 40 below zero wind chills, but the coldest air is moving off to the north and off to the east. So here's a look at the skycast. Mainly clear skies. Air temperatures are going to be near 15 below zero, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, finally getting above zero. Most of us into the upper single digits to maybe even some areas near 10 degrees with more sunshine. The winds do die down on your Friday. Partly cloudy skies going overnight into Saturday morning. We're going to be near 5 below zero. And as we go through the afternoon on Saturday, the warm air will just filter in pretty quickly. Upper 20s to near 30. That's usually how this climate works sometimes. So the high pressure system that's been giving us the cold air will crest over us, move off to the east. Then there's that surge of warm air. By Saturday morning, that warm front is on our doorstep. It really makes its way through Sunday, Monday, and into next week with a surge of warm air from the south. This cold air really isn't going to affect us. It'll move off to the north, so we're going to stay into the 40s to near 50 as we go through early next week. Here's what it looks like on the jet stream map. Jet stream well off to our south, polar vortex over us. That will move into the Midwest and Northeast as we go through the holiday weekend. And for next week, jet stream, nice ridge in it. Warm air will be across us all the way into the southern and western states. So one more night of really cold air, and then we'll start to warm up. A high of 7 for the day tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies, partly cloudy. Saturday, a high of 35 and 45 on Sunday. Getting all the way up to 47 on Monday. Could be a little windy on Sunday, and then the winds die down again for Monday to Tuesday. Tuesday, we make it into the lower 50s, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, staying dry throughout the week. Breezy on Wednesday, still a high near 50, falling back into the mid-40s on Thursday, and we'll put about a 10% chance of some rain or snow showers for Thursday. Still think we're going to be dry under partly cloudy skies. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. That massive winter storm and extreme cold moving across the country is causing a scramble at airports just 2 days before Christmas Eve. Tom Costello reports.
Wednesday night, and with snow already hitting a crowded Minneapolis airport, Chicago O'Hare is also running.